Ethanol produces fewer emissions, but has lower BTUs, which means it produces less power and fewer miles per gallon. Ethanol holds up to 50% more moisture than gasoline, which may cause phase separation as ethanol and water separate from gasoline and settle in the bottom of the tank. Moisture in the gas tank may cause fuel system corrosion and poor cold weather starting. Ethanol is a mildly acidic molecule, which further accelerates the corrosion process of metal components. Phase-separated ethanol must be manually removed from the vehicle's fuel tank through a costly evacuation process. The BG Ethanol Fuel System Defender service includes a cleaner, BG Ethanol Fuel System Defender, part number 213, and a dryer, BG Ethanol Fuel System Dryer, part number 281. For corrosion protection at each fill-up, BG Ethanol Corrosion Preventer, part number 212, will restrict fuel oxidation, gums, and varnish, and protect metal components from corrosion. Today's engines have a defense against ethanol corrosion with the BG Ethanol Fuel System Defender service from BG Products Incorporated.